So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah, for Celine?
Yeah, for Celine. Yeah, you can get in. I screwed this seat up for you. Oh,
What's
sorry.
all this crap in the back?
Sorry, it's my tripod. I was filming.
Alright, hold on.
I'm a YouTuber. I was just filming a video earlier, so sorry.
Oh, that's cool.
Nah, you're chilling.
I do music. That's
Oh, nice.
relatable, right?
Well, anyways,
Kinda better, but-
can you confirm with me your destination?
Yeah, we're going to the airport.
Okay,
Quickly?
to Los Angeles?
Yeah, I gotta go record some stuff.
Okay, cool. Oh, sorry, there's a car coming.
Of course there is.
Sorry. So, how are ya?
I'm good, just... This seat's so uncomfortable. I'm good,
My
just...
seat's on...
Yeah, there's all this...
Hey,
stuff
that's
on
my stuff.
It's in the way.
Well, okay, well, I can move it if you want.
You probably should, because...
That's my
messing up
camera.
my
You just
shoes.
kicked my camera.
Oh, well, just get another one. Maybe you shouldn't keep it in the back of your seat if...
I'm a YouTuber, okay? I need to record whenever, when I get inspired.
Yeah, well,
Aren't you a musician?
Yeah, but...
So don't you know that you write music like when you're inspired?
Yeah, but I'm not inspired by keeping junk at people's feet, so...
Okay, well, I'm sorry. Honestly, you're my first ride of the day, so I kind of forgot it was there. I would have moved it, though.
How long have you been Ubering for?
Like 2 years.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Alright, interesting.
Yeah, like 8,000 rides.
8,000 rides?
Yeah.
How many stars do you have?
4.98.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. I'm a great driver.
Well, can I get a 4.98 ride? I kind of am in a rush, and I'll give you a higher review if we can just get me to the airport on time. Like, I was at Starbucks for so long. Everybody ordered like 4 drinks each, at least.
Mm-hmm.
It was so ridiculous. I was so mad. So, I'm kind of running late. I kind of could use, like,
Well, we're in a
some speed.
residential area, so I'm going to drive 15 miles per hour like this sign says.
I mean, I feel like most people don't drive 15 miles an hour in a residential area.
Well, I'm not risking getting a ticket for you being late at Starbucks. Yeah.
I didn't choose to be late at Starbucks. It's not my fault that Karen and Susan and Joe decided to go and order like 60 drinks each, okay? It's not my fault.
Well, you maybe should have planned that into your day so that maybe if they did take long, you would have extra
Really?
time.
Really?
Yes, don't get at me, okay? I'm not risking my... And don't threaten my rating. Like,
I'm not threatening your rating.
you should
I'm
rate me
offering
5
you-
stars
No,
just
I'm
for
offering-
taking you.
I don't owe you any stars just for picking me up. That's your job, and I'm gonna be late.
Well,
and
you don't have-
I'm telling you that I'm gonna give you a better review if you get me there faster.
So you're saying if I drive the speed limit, I'm gonna get a bad review?
Probably. So I just need you to like hurry up. I'm not threatening you. I'm just telling you how it is. And I can't get my freaking hat on my head. Ugh! Today is so annoying.
Wow. Well, where are you off to?
LA. Oh, to the airport.
I mean,
in LA.
then where?
I'm going to Missouri to record.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of a long flight. Kind of have another layover too, and I cannot miss my layover because it's tight.
Okay, well,
Like my schedule.
what time's your flight at?
It's at 12:15.
12:15?
Yeah.
We're literally gonna get to the airport at 12:13. You're gonna miss your flight.
No, we're not, because you are gonna drive faster.
It takes 45 minutes to get there.
No, it's...
We are not...
No, it's not.
I'm not gonna speed.
What are you talking
You
about?
planned your...
Dude, no, I need you to hurry up. I need you to like actually physically hurry up because this is taking too long and I'm gonna be late and I'm gonna miss my
you're gonna
flight,
be
and
late
because
it's your fault. It's your fault.
Don't blame me. I called you.
I swear,
the Uber.
you're the literal pinnacle Uber passenger that always... You know what? I'm not gonna give you a ride. You can miss your flight.
Excuse me?
You can get out right here.
What?
Get out of my car, okay?
Get out.
I'm gonna cancel a ride on you. Get out.
Oh my god, you're freaking...
You are just... Oh, no. Hey, you just hit me.
Man, screw you, dude. You know what? And I'll do it again.
Hey! Are you serious? Are you serious? Okay, guys, that was a fake video, right?
Yeah.
Like we're friends?
Yeah, we're friends.
Okay.
Basically.
Ow!
I'm sorry. Did I throw it too hard?
No, I'm just kidding. Guys,
just
by the way, we just wanted to say, I know some people were getting upset, but this isn't just a skit. We like to have fun every once in a while and make like humor out of... We live crazy lives as Uber and Lyft drivers, I'm sure you guys know. And I actually have had a lot of passengers like that who do tell me to drive fast. Guys, don't listen to them. Drive the speed limit. If you have to kick them out of your car, do it.
It's okay.
But yeah, thanks Celine for being in the video. And thank you guys for watching. Use the link down below to sign up for GetUpside to save money on your gas. You use GetUpside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I use GetUpside. Dustin is driving, uses GetUpside. The Rideshare Guy uses GetUpside. We all use it to save money on our gas. You get cash back whenever you fill up gas. So use my link down below and you get a little bonus too. Thanks guys. Have a good day.
Bye.